Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. The first is which state government has launched the Indra Sura Giri Jala Vikasam scheme? The answer is Telangana. Here are some interesting facts. Telangana Chief Minister Ravinath Reddy launched the Indra Sura Kiri Jal Vikasam scheme in Macharam, Amarabad Mandal of Kurnool district. The scheme aims to provide irrigation using solar powered bore wells in tribal lands without electricity. It will cover 6 lakh acres of land held by scheduled tribe ST farmers under the Forest Rights Act, in short FRA. Farmers with over 2.5 acres will get individual units, while smaller landholders will form borewell user groups. The Tribal Welfare Department will identify eligibility farmers by May 25. The next is the Overseas Citizenship of India, in short OCI, scheme was introduced by amending which act? The answer is Citizenship Act 1955. Here are some facts about this. The Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation recently launched the new Overseas Citizen of India, in short OCI portal in New Delhi. The Overseas Citizenship of India scheme was introduced in August 2005 by amending the Citizenship Act 1955. A foreign national can apply for OCI if they were an Indian citizen on or after 26th January 1950 or were eligible to become one on that date. OCI status is also open to those whose ancestors belong to a territory that became part of India after 15th August 1947. The new OCI portal aims to simplify and modernize the application process for eligible foreign nationals. The next is Udanti Sitanandi Tiger Reserve is located in which state? The answer is Chhattisgarh. Here are some interesting facts about this tiger reserve. Recent camera trap images from Udanti Sita Nandir Tiger Reserve, in short USTR, is Chhattisgarh, show a positive rise in wildlife activity with carnivorous, herbivorous, and omnivorous using the forest widely. USTR is located in the Gariband and Dhanamtri district of Chhattisgarh. It is formed by merging Sitanandi and Udanti wildlife sanctuaries. The main river in the reserve is the Mahanadi, along with Udanti, Sitanandi, Indravan, and Pairi rivers as tributaries. The reserve connects with forest of Kankar and North Kondagan, forming a corridor of corridor to Indravanti Tiger Reserve in Bastar. The next is which organization developed the India's high altitude platform, in short HAP, prototype a solar powered unmanned aircraft. The answer is National Aerospace Laboratories, in short NAL. Here are some facts about this. In a recent development, India's high altitude platform HAP, a prototype designed by National Aerospace Laboratories, successfully completed pre-monsoon flight test with a certified autopilot system. A high altitude platform is an unmanned solar powered aircraft that flies in the aerospace at 17 to 22 kilometers altitude. It serves as a middle layer between ground systems and satellites for continuous aerial services. It was developed by NAL Bengaluru under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, in short CSIR. The Aeronautical Test Range ATR of at Chitradurga, Karnataka supported its development. It is designed for border patrolling, surveillance in remote areas, and civil military use. It can also act as a relay for telecommunications and weather monitoring. The next is what is the name of the nationwide agriculture campaign launched by the Union Agriculture Ministry in May 2025? The answer is Vikshit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan. Here are some interesting facts about this Abhiyan. Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan recently launched the nationwide Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan to be held from May 29 to June 12, 2025. It aims to make agriculture modern and prosperous under the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mission for a developed India. Agriculture supports nearly half of India's population and is key to national food security. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare has a 6-point strategy: increase production, reduce costs, ensure fair prices, compensate disaster costs, ensure fair prices, compensate disaster losses, promote crop diversification and organic farming. India recorded its highest ever agricultural output in 2024-25 with good grain production rising to 3,309.18 lakh tons. The campaign seeks to make India the food basket of the world through sustainable and surplus farming. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.